Okay.
So for the life jacket should be fixed with a self-igniting light, which in salt water it will ignite automatically, okay, and should be fitted with a whistle, okay. And there is a line. Why this line is there? To hold each person together, okay. For example, 4 person fall in the water, so this one we will made fast to each other life jacket, so that we will accumulate in one place. Why the accumulation in one place is important? First of all, if the shark see you, okay, they will not come in closer to you because you are in a group, okay. If you are in a one person, okay, yes, they will come to attack you. But if you are in a group and if you paddle your legs, they are not going to eat you. Second thing, if you are in a group, if any rescue operation, if any helicopter or other ships sees you, there are very high chances of seeing you in a group. If you are 4 person isolated to different places, there are chances of missing you by the aircraft or some ships passing nearby. So it is always a good habit to be there in a group. But how? This line you have to make fast, otherwise everybody will drift away in all different directions. Thank you.